going to do the room tour. We are in 2102, which is a deluxe room, pretty much the top floor, and it has amazing views. So as soon as you walk in, first we have the kitchen area with a full-size double fridge by Samsung. We also have 2 stove tops and a microwave towards the bottom. Have a little coffee machine here, a few cabinets, and also some cocktail glassware here up top as well. Half bathroom. Have a bath, have a toilet, and also a sink, and then mirrors all the way around. So it's great if you have guests coming over, or just you and someone else. You guys can split the bathroom up. Also have a few things here, food and drinks. Everything has a price on it, not free, but just in case you don't feel like going up to the bar or downstairs to the second floor to the bar, you can have a little quick cocktail here as well. Also, it's a table for 4. We have the couch, pretty big size L-shaped couch with the table, and also a TV here built into the column. Over here we have a king size bed and amazing views just to the left of the bed of the city. I mean, these windows are pretty much floor to ceiling, and the views are just amazing. It looks like some of these windows actually open up. Over here to the back, we have a bathroom, just 1 sink. Have a few items in case you forgot some things, but they all do have price tags on them, just in case. Nothing's free. And then we have some shelving and closet space, also a safe if you need to put some of your valuables. And here, very small shower and toilet area. Not too big, but it gets the job done. Now, saving the best for last would definitely be this beautiful balcony. It's a lot bigger than I thought from the pictures that I saw online. And it's just breathtaking views. And the weather's amazing. It's probably 80, 81 degrees, not too humid. See, I mean, just amazing. Like, definitely exceeded my expectations. Only downfall was we did have to wait a little bit for the room. Check-in is at 3. It was still not ready until about 3:20. So that was the only downside, but I can definitely say really worth the wait, especially since we have the top floor. The only thing here above us is the 22nd floor, where there's a rooftop bar and also a pool as well. So I definitely plan on spending some time out here on the balcony as well. We have a couple friends who flew in Medellin from Bogota, so we're gonna meet up with them, probably have some drinks up here when we get a chance to, and just really get a chance to really enjoy the hotel outside of just seeing the sights. I want to make sure that we get full use of this balcony since we don't have one at home, and enjoying the beautiful weather. So yeah, thanks for checking out the room view. Talk to you guys in a bit.